This is the second part of our Java series of tutorials. In the previous tutorial, we have seen how to download, install, and integrate Java to our environment variables. And in this tutorial, we'll see how we can download, install, and use an IDE to write Java code. So we'll go to any web browser to download our IDE. Search for Java IDE. And as you can see, you have a bunch of options to download IntelliJ or Eclipse or NetBeans. For this tutorial, we'll be using IntelliJ from JetBrains.com. Then you just need to click on the download link. You have for Windows, version for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, so depending on your system, you need to download. There's the Ultimate and the Community version. The Community version is fully free and open source, and this one is free for 30 days. So just download this Community version. Download has started. I already downloaded it, and after the download has finished, this type of executable file will be there. So double click and open it, then next. Make sure you mark all this and add the bin folder to the path. This lets you use this IDE and into your environment variable. And this one creates a desktop shortcut, and you can read them, but I recommend you mark them, then install. So to write a Java code, you need an IDE which contains a compiler like IntelliJ. So we can close our web browser. It's finishing installing, so feel free to use any other IDEs like Eclipse or NetBeans, not only IntelliJ. So the installation has finished. Then to finish the installation completely, you need to reboot the system. I want to manually reboot later, so let's just open IntelliJ. Okay. Then new project. Make sure there is a JDK right over here. So you can select JDK 17, detected SDKs. So I'm just going to use JDK 18. Then we're writing Java, so the language is Java. Let's just say hello world. This is the name of our project. Then create. So this is the first window you get when you create a project. So go to the SRC folder here. This is where you get your project files. So the SRC folder, then you get a main.java file. Now every Java program is inside a class, needs a class like this, and we'll see more about the syntaxes later on, but for now I want you to know that this is a class and this is just a method. So what a method is, what a class is, we'll see more later. For now, we'll just click on this run button to just run this, and you can see hello world is being executed. I just want to show you some other .out.println. Let's just print, for example, 4 plus 5. This is just an example. Then let's run it. Now you can see it is working operation line. So this is just as an introduction and a hello world program. So stay tuned. Thank you.